Greeting, this is Mark Brown. We're going to be looking at how we can actually sign into Zoom. Yes, sign into Zoom. Because we have a screen that we can only join, but we can start a meeting, right? So I want to know exactly how to sign in, right? So the first thing I wanted to do is come right here, top of the screen. I'm going to open the Zoom. I want to know exactly how to sign in. I'm going to look for the word open, click on it, because I want to host this meeting, but I simply don't know how. Right? You notice this is the screen that you definitely have only to join meeting, but you don't know how to sign in. So you're going to come right here and click on the word sign in. When you click on the word sign in, show you right here that you can put in an email address, put in a password, and here it says click on the little pointer to see sign in. And here you can actually sign in with a SSO, or sign in with Google account, or sign in with Facebook. Here we show that you can actually sign up free, and here show that you can go up. But the first thing you want to do is just click on the Gmail. Okay, I already have a Gmail account, so just click on the Gmail. Right, so while you click on Gmail, you wait on it for it to process, and then it will give you a different confirmation on where to go or what to do next. It's very important. At the same time, if you have a book, you can drop down a little pointer in the meantime. Very important. I can stop or pause the video and go back again and look. I know it's bringing up this particular window here, right? So it's actually processing it, and you see exactly. So we're going to take me to a particular area where some account is. So you're going to ensure that you choose the right account, right? You know this? All of these are the account. So I'm going to select one of the account, right? I'm going to select this one here. While I select that one, it's going to take me to another section, right? You know what this is right here? Launch Zoom, open, alright, I'm going to click on the word open there. When I click on the word open, you notice the connecting to Zoom, alright, and right here I can actually minimize this screen here, alright, you can minimize this one, alright, this is the original screen now, so this is a show that I actually sign in, right, if you notice pretty, so right away I can just start an instant meeting with it so far, just an instant meeting, so when you have a screen like this, it means that you can actually start an instant meeting, you can actually screen in and all of that. So if when you sign in, I just want to start an instant meeting, you just click on this here. And when you click on it, you wait on it to connect. There you go. This is an instant meeting, right? And when you're in the meeting now, you want to close it. You can actually come right here. It's the end. You click on the end right there, and then it's a end meeting for all, and then you click on it, and there you go. So if this video has helped you, share it to your friend so that your friend can actually benefit from it just the same. Right? For the same problem that you have, your friend might have the